of his hair, and he basically wanted a drop fade. So what I'm going to do right now is take out the rubber band that he has in the back, and basically I'm going to start by just Alright you guys, so of course I wash the hair after I finish cutting, because you want to make sure the hair is in the back, making sure that this line is nice and neat. I'm not going to be pressing too hard. I don't want to leave a harsh guideline, so make sure that you are very light with the touch when you set in your guide lever as you go up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My Instagram is 360Jeezy and my TikTok is official 360Jeezy.